you will take your pot of paint and you will put it in the middle and you will carefully draw around it. Okay, so then we have our circle in the middle and our 4 sections. Then what we're going to do is we're going to divide these sections with a pencil line. If you have a ruler, you can use that. If you don't have a ruler, you can just use the edge of your sketchbook carefully. So line that up and use it as a guide to draw those lines. Right, so now I have my piece of paper divided into 4 sections, a circle in the middle. Now what I need to do is divide each of these into 3 pieces, because what I'm hoping to get eventually is going to be a circle like this. Okay, and you can see that in each quarter I've got 1, 2, 3 sections. So what I need to do is take my straight edge, so that could be a ruler or a sketchbook, and I'm going to mark a line here and a line here, a line here and a line here. So I'm actually drawing 4 long lines. 1, 2, 3, 4. So just make sure that you get this right. They don't have to be perfectly equal, but the main thing is that in each quarter, you should now have 1, 2, 3 sections. Now what I am going to do is, if I have something round that I can draw around, then that is great. If not, just very carefully mark a large circle. Okay, take your time to get it nice and even, like this. It does not have to be perfect. As I've said already, my example is not a perfect circle, but it has got fairly even sections. So I've got 12 sections, 3 in each quarter of my paper. Once I've got my circle drawn out, what I can do is I can start writing on where each colour is going to go. So I'll begin with my primary colours. So I will put an R here for red. Then I will have my secondary colour that goes next to red, which is going to be orange. But I'm going to leave a space here because we're going to mix a tertiary colour in between, and then I'm going to put O here for orange. I'm going to leave a space here for another tertiary colour, and then I'm going to put the colour that goes with red to make orange, which is yellow. So Y for yellow. Then another space. My secondary colour that goes here is going to be green. So I'll put a G for green. I'm going to leave another space, and then the colour that goes with yellow to make green is blue. So I'm going to put a B for blue here. Then, which colour do I get when I mix blue and red? That's going to be purple. So I'm going to put a P here for purple. Now you might wonder what colours are going to go in each of these gaps. It will be orange mixed with a bit of red, which is going to make a kind of red orange. Same here, the colour that will go in here will be orange mixed with a bit of yellow, so it'll be more of a yellowy orange. okay? You can write, if you want, Y-O, R-O, so you know that it's the mixture of the two in there, but I'm going to just leave that because I think I'll remember when I come to that bit.